Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss on commissioning plan. Let us consider a hypothetical case where we third party commissioning agency is having allotted a scope of work in a data center where he has to commission the data center from level 1 to level 5 means factory inspections till handover. So coming to the mind how the company will present its plan, its course of action to the client or agency for commissioning of that particular data center. For this case, I have prepared one hypothetical case of a data center, hypothetical case of the data center to understand the commissioning process. In my last video, I was speaking on level 1 to level 5 commissioning activities, what we understand as level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. So, in this video, we will understand how a commissioning agency present itself for commissioning a data center. Before going to do this, we need to understand, the company needs to understand what the exactly the data center facility is about. For this case, I have prepared a hypothetical data center. This is the facility profile where the location of the data center is shown in Navi Mumbai. The building is of G plus floor, 4 floors, terrace. It has a terrace, upper terrace, platform, and a G plus 4 DG building. Total 24 megawatt of IT load and 4 data halls, 6 megawatt of data hall load with 1496 of server racks. It will be executed in 4 distinct delivery phases, 6 megawatt of phase, each phase wise. And the facility is quality and resiliency compiled or resiliency objectives are noted as TIA 942 rated 3. It means concurrently maintainable and without interrupting the critical IT loads, and maintenance can happen concurrently without the affecting the power load or in the cooling load, mechanical system, and the electrical load means the critical IT loads. And against it should be rigorously validated to ensure no single point of failure exists across the power and the cooling path. It is complying to international standards like ASHRAE guidelines, NFPA standards, IEC standards, and IS codes. So this is about the facility profile. Let's deep dive into what its electrical system architecture and mechanical systems looks like. So for the electrical system architecture, it has a 33 kV dual supply, means two independent feeders are feeding the facility at 33 kV from ST switchgear. It has 25 units of 2250 kVA dry type of transformers with n plus 1 redundancy, plus n plus 1 redundant 1500 kVA, two numbers of utility transformers. It has 2N configuration at UPS and emergency generators. It has 27 diesel generator, 25 indoor and 2 outdoor, and plus 1 redundancy with heavy duty sync bus. So this is about the electrical architecture, what the system or facility speaks about itself. It is provided you at the tender scope per tender stage about the detailed BOQ, what we have to commission with the data set. In the data set, it will be overview of the facility. It is already provided. So for this, again, it has mechanical, ELV, security, and BMS. Let's quickly glance through them. Coming to mechanical and cooling infrastructure, chill water plant, it has 20 numbers of air cooled chiller where 18 duty and 2 standby, uh, paired with n plus 2 configured chilled water pumps. It has 4 thermal storage tanks which provide 5 minutes of continuous cooling load in case of failure at power transitions and extra. It has a dual header ring which provides 2N path for chilled water distribution, eliminating single pipe outage risk. Hybrid data hall cooling. It has hybrid data hall. It means it is comprises of fan valve unit with n plus 3 redundancy and combined with CDUs, which we call as cooling distribution unit at n plus 1. Again, coming to fire protection and life safety, it has fire alarm system, VESDA systems deployed across all the data halls, electrical rooms, riser spaces for thermal warnings. High pressure water mist system installed at DG sets, double interlock pre-action system employs at data hall, battery rooms, and clean agent and leak detection system. It has BMS and security fuel architecture, centralized BMS and EPMS system, ELV and physical security system, and HSD fuel oil system with N plus 1. So now we come to understand about the facility itself, what electrical architecture it has, how electrically it is designed, how mechanically it is designed, what systems are there in the ELV and BMS side. So after coming knowledge on this, we will plan like from L2 to L5, from QAQC commissioning to energization to functional to L5 IST and L6 handover. So a commissioning agency has to plan all these things, its manpower, its deployment, its course of action before submitting a actual plan. It has to go through this process of understanding the facility and customer requirement. So this is about, now we understand on the system architecture wise or facility wise that this is the building, and now we have to process it to from L1 to L6, and how we are going to process it. So all these things we have to combinedly incorporate in the commissioning plan, where our manpower deployment, roles and responsibility metrics, and system requirements, according to the system requirements we have to plan. So we deployed the manpower, roles, PM, and supporting staff to the site in the, by showcasing them in the plan. We are gone through various tests, each system wise, like for transformers, for HT switchgears, LV switchgears. We incorporate all the test material inside our plan, what we are going to do with the particular system, and we showcase that plan to the client, and client agrees with the that plan. Then this is called the commissioning plan, what we are going to with the facility, its equipment, how we are going to commission, what level of testing we are performing on each and every system, how we will declare the system fits the requirement according to the basis of design, customer requirement, and customer OPR. After incorporating all this thing, it we will get approval on that, and we will develop our script, our trackers, CS trackers, and our deliverables, how we are going to handle the observations, like all the things we will incorporate that in the plan, and we will get it approved from the client. This will be calling as the commissioning plan. And if you require a detailed commissioning plan, a template, or any support, please write down to me on my channel. Thank you.